What is your specialty here at Aaron Swift?
My specialty is the diagnostics and quantification of various plumbing problems in systems.
So you like to investigate?
Yes.
What's a benefit here at working at Aaron Swift?
The regular scheduled hours, we have a similar schedule every week, and then we only have to, each plumber only has to work one Saturday a month.
How long have you been here?
For 15 years.
And what keeps you here?
The family atmosphere of the company and the family of our clientele and seeing the same people.
What's the best thing about working here at Aaron Swift?
The best thing about working here is probably the relaxed atmosphere within the company, and then working with our regular clients and getting to know those families very well over the years.